Hi, here just we will see how to declare a pointer and how to store the address in a variable, and then after that by using the pointer how we can going to be accessing that element. So first we will see how to declare the pointer, and we will see next one that we are going to be using to store the as well. First we will see just for declaration form you are going to be using int and the star pointer name. So in this way just you are going to be using the pointer for declaration. Now I am just what I am going to be doing, just I am going to be assigning the one variable to the pointer to store the address. So here it is going to be taking one variable, so for that just I am going to be declaring that variable also int n is equals to 5 can store, and then here it is going to be storing the variable name that it is going to be address. Here now the pointer is going to be storing this address location, and then after that if you want to access that address just you can go to this pointer and then you will get the output according to that. Just if you want to access that element, just you can, if you want to get the address just you can print pointer, and then after that it is going to be print the address of that location. Otherwise if you want to get the value which it is present in the n variable, just you can use it star pointer, then according to that it is going to be printing the value. So let's make it a quick view in a programming part, and then it is going to be very easy for you, then you can understand. So for that just I'm going to be using hash include. So before that just you need to do one comment lines, put it all these things and star hash. In the main function just you can using int store pointer, and then after that I'm just using one variable also, and then here just I'm going to be storing one int variable is equal to 10. Now I'm going to be storing the address of that variable into that pointer, just I'm going to be allocating that one. Now it stores the address of that pointer, means address of that variable into that pointer. So now just we are going to be printing cout, just you can use it and variable, or otherwise you can use it pointer, and then you will get this one address of the variable it is going to be storing according like this is the location that it is going to be storing in a memory part, so this way it is going to be providing this type of output. So just or otherwise just you can do one thing, you can also do, if you want address of that location just you can watch it without using pointer. If you want to get the address of that location just you can also use it and variable, then it is going to be displaying the address of that location. So in this way just it is going to be providing the it's storing the address part. So now just we can see how to print the value of for that. You can use it here and L, then it's going to be good. Now here we are getting the address of the variable, and then we are going to pick value of that variable, it is a 10 that we declared over here. So in this way that you can use it to get the storage address in the memory location of that variable, and then you can also access the value of that variable by using the star pointer. Now we will see if we change the pointer variable then it will change or not, just we will check it that one also whether it's working or not. Now I'm just checking over here, just we will change the value of the pointer and then we will check it whether it's going to be updated or not. Now I'm just going to be changing star pointer is equals to 5. Now just I'm changing the value. Now we will check it whether it's changed or not. So the value has been changed over here, value of the variable it is returning as a 5, so it's working. So before that just making the confirmation, just we will print one more message over here without changing the value. So for that just we will check it whether it's going to be printing this line, or otherwise it is going to be after updating it is going to be changing or not. Compile this one. So before update the variable value that it's a 10, and then after that after update the value that it is going to be returning as a 5. So in this way, just we are going to be using these pointers in this C++ programming. So this is going to be useful for further classes, that in a classes and objects also. Then it is going to be useful. Just while you can displaying the pointer, just you need to be remember how to use that pointer, how to store the variables, how to display the variable values by using the pointer. These things is going to be useful while solving a problem. So thank you.